Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about 33 tips to make your baby or toddler smarter and super intelligent. The first is make eye contact. Take advantage of those brief moments when your newborn eyes are open. Just look right into them. Infants recognize faces early on. Each time they stare at you, they are building their memory. Number 2, let them reflect. Have your baby stare at themselves in the mirror. At first, they may think they are just eyeing another kid, but they will love making the other baby wave their arms and smile. Third, encourage comparison. Hold up two pictures about 8 to 12 inches away from your baby's face. They should be similar but have one small difference. Even a young infant will look back and forth to figure out the distinguished features. Then clue them in. Say, I am going to turn on the light now before flipping the switch, or I am going to run the bath before turning on the faucet. Doing so teaches a child cause and effect. Next is tickle their toes. In fact, tickle them all over. Learning to laugh is the first step towards developing a sense of humor and becoming more smarter. Next, breastfeed if possible. Bond with your baby by singing, talking, or simply stroking their hair. Studies suggest that school children who were nursed as infants have higher IQs. Then make the most of diaper time. When you change your baby's diaper, narrate what you are doing. It teaches them to anticipate routines. Name their body parts or clothing items as you go along too. Then take a rest. Spend a few minutes every day simply sitting on the floor with your baby. No music, bright lights, or playtime tricks. Let them explore and see where they take you. Number 9. Be a playground. Lie down on the floor and let your baby climb and crawl all over you. You will help boost their coordination and problem-solving skills. Number 10. Build an obstacle course. Strengthen your baby's motor skills by placing sofa cushions, pillows, boxes, or toys on the floor and showing them how to crawl over, under, and around them. Then take a tour. When you go for walks with baby, narrate what you see, saying things like, "That's a little dog," or "Look at those big trees or flowers," or "Did you hear that fire engine?" This helps build their vocabulary and understanding of their world. Then go shopping. Bring baby on your next supermarket trip. The grocery store is a place of wonder for them, with so many entertaining faces, sounds, and colors. Number 13. Switch the scenery. Move your baby's high chair to the other side of the table. You will challenge their memory of where things are placed at meals. Next, surprise them. Every now and then, delight your baby by gently blowing on their face, arms, or tummy. Repeat your breaths in a pattern and watch them react and anticipate. Then play 3-card Monty. Grab a few empty plastic food containers and hide a small baby toy under one. Shuffle the containers and let your child find the prize. Then number 16, play peekaboo. Your hide-and-seek antics do more than bring on the giggles. Your baby learns that objects can disappear and then come back. Next tip is pick it up. If your baby repeatedly drops toys off their high chair, don't be frustrated. They are learning and testing the laws of gravity. Give them several pieces of wadded up paper or some tennis balls. Put an open bucket under their seat and let them take in. Then get touchy-feely. Keep a box of different textured fabrics such as silk, terry cloth, wool, and linen. Gently rub each cloth on your baby's cheek, feet, and tummy, describing the way it feels. Then feel your way. Walk around the house with your baby in arms and help them touch random items. That is a cool window, soft laundry, smooth plant leaf, and other safe objects. Label things as you go. Next, count everything. Count how many blocks your toddler can stack, or the number of steps in your house, or their fingers and toes. Make a habit of counting out loud and soon they will join in. Now, number 21 tip, read books again and again. Babies as young as 8 months can learn to recognize the sequence of words in a simple story when it is read 2 to 3 times in a row. This is a skill that is believed to help them learn language. Number 22. Compile a family album. Include photographs of relatives near and far and flip through it often to build your child's memories. Now, create a zoo book. On your next visit to the zoo, take photos of favorite animals to include in an album. Later read it together, naming all the familiar creatures or adding animal sounds and stories. Now, number 24. Play in the rain with your toddler. Jump in puddles, sit in wet grass. Make it fun to learn about the concepts of wet and dry. Now, number 25. Let them be the boss, but sometimes. Build your toddler's confidence by regularly giving them a choice between two things. For example, do you want a red bowl or a blue bowl for the breakfast? Or are you wearing a dress today or pants? In this way, they will learn that their decision matters. Now, number 26 tip. Talk about their feelings. Cuddle up at bedtime and ask your child what made them happy or sad that day, what made them angry or proud. This exercise helps them recall the day, understand the past tense, and label their emotions. Then hunt for bugs. Look at pictures of harmless insects, for example, ladybugs, crickets, or butterflies in a book or magazine. Then go outside with your toddler to find some. Then choose hues. Pick a color and ask your toddler if they can spot it when you go on a walk or car ride together. Then let them pick a color for you to hunt. Then number 29, put them to work. Toddlers can help sort laundry into darks and whites. They may even be able to pick out which clothes belong to them. Next important tip, fill up cups. Gather several cups or plastic containers of different sizes and let your child pour water from one into another during the bath time. Sometimes they will pour too much and other times too little. Talk about which cups are bigger and which are smaller. Then encourage your child to exercise. Physical exercise increases the flow of blood to the brain and builds new brain cells. Exercise is good for adults' mental sharpness, but it has a more long-lasting effect on your kids' still developing brain. Then foster your child's creativity. Creativity is a valued mental characteristic in the art, science, and any endeavor that involve problem solving as a whole. It can be learned behavior that can be nurtured from childhood. Now, some of the ways to nurture creativity include exposing your child to literature, music, and arts, and making tools like paper and paint available for him to work on. In the last tip, make music a part of your child's life. Studies have shown that listening to music can boost memory, attention, motivation, and learning. Music can also lower stress that is destructive to your kid's brain. A study has also shown that children's brain develop faster with music training. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative health videos.